It's Matt Santacapita from the Santa Sells Houses team, and this is another episode of our Money Market Update. So this past week in the City of London, we saw new listings coming in at 221, conditionals at 44, and pending at 89. Clearly, from a sales perspective, we are seeing what is typically called the summer slowdown. So we are seeing numbers and sales pulling back a little bit. However, if you do have the right home and it's priced well and it's on the market, trust me, there's a buyer out there. I think the reality of what's happening is that the very saleable homes, and that's really just the homes that are in a very specific price bracket, there's just fewer and fewer of them out there. You can find anything you want once you hit $1 million and up. But when you get into that lower priced home, that more affordable home in the, between the $400,000 to $600,000 mark, there's just fewer and fewer of them there. So that's really what I think is going on, coupled with the, summer slowdown that we do normally see. Also, keep peeled because on July 12th, we have the Bank of Canada rate announcement. I do believe the markets have priced in at least another 25 basis points, which quite frankly is actually, at this point, I'll say it's getting a little shocking because, whether or not we want to talk about Trudeau or the Bank of Canada and things that they've said, a little over a year ago, that interest rates are going to remain low for a significant amount of time. The fact of the matter is that's now a lie. There is a lot of data coming out that business is struggling, homeowners are struggling, families are struggling. Inflation really is pinching people. And personally, I don't believe that jacking up interest rates more is the solution. I think it's actually a short-term Band-Aid that makes it appear like they're doing something. But we'll see. Hopefully these higher interest rates, which even though they are high, in comparison to what we've seen the past 5-6 years, historically they are still low. But hopefully this is the last one, and then we see things taper off, and then maybe they start pulling back again in the winter or maybe next year. But anyways, if you do have any questions, if you are looking for some advice, feel free to reach out. We're always here to help. Again, it's Matt Santacapita from the Santa Sells Houses team, and this has been another episode of our Money Market Update.